Excel timelines provide a user-friendly and effective way to filter data when working with date or time values. Similar to slicers, timelines are powerful tools that focus on refining data based on date and time parameters. They can be used to filter data by years, quarters, months, or days. Here is the employee data. With the help of a pivot table, we will create a timeline in Excel. Let's convert the data set into a table. Simply click inside the data set, navigate to the Insert tab, and choose Table. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut Ctrl+T. Next, proceed to create a pivot table. Click on the data set within the table, go to the Insert tab, select Pivot Table, and click OK. I will add a pivot table to New Sheet. In the Pivot Table Fields pane, drag Department to the Rows section, Country to the Columns section, and Annual Salary to the Values section. To make a pivot table timeline in Excel, click anywhere in the pivot table to activate its ribbon tabs. On the Pivot Table Analyze tab, in the Filter group, click the Insert Timeline button. In the dialog box that pops up, select the date field you want to include. Click the OK button. To insert a timeline in Excel, a date field doesn't need to be visibly displayed within the pivot table itself. When you create a timeline for an Excel pivot table, it automatically establishes a connection with all pivot charts created from that specific table. Once you have set up your timeline, you can use it to filter your pivot table and chart by time period. Let's explore the timeline features. Use the Time Level drop-down menu to choose the desired time, whether it's years, quarters, months, or days. Use the Time Span slider to select your preferred time interval. To choose a single period, simply click on the corresponding tile. For selecting multiple periods in sequence, click on one tile, then drag the time span handles to adjust the date range. Navigate through different periods by dragging the scroll bar to the desired position. Enhance the visual appeal of your timeline to align with your presentation requirements through personalized styling options. There are 12 predefined styles, and you can design your own timeline style. Select the timeline to activate its ribbon tab. On the Timeline tab, pick the style you want from the Timeline Styles gallery. Alternatively, click New Timeline Style to design a distinctive style that suits your presentation perfectly. By default, the caption name of an Excel timeline mirrors the name of the corresponding date column. To change the caption name, select the timeline. Go to the Timeline tab. In the Timeline caption box, enter the new name for the caption. To delete the timeline from your Excel sheet, right-click the timeline and choose Remove Timeline from the menu. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Excel tips.